Hello, my name is Patrick Jameson, and in this video, we're going to install our assembled frame into the masonry opening. Then we're going to hang our slabs to the frame. After dry fitting the frame, apply sealant to the inside of your masonry opening all the way around the perimeter. I've now applied the sealant to the masonry opening. It's time to set the frame into the opening. After setting your frame into the opening, ensure it's square, level, true, and plumb. Drill into the block through your pre-punched holes of the frame using a hammer drill. Using your masonry fasteners, you're going to hold the frame in place, but do not over-tighten. Use shims at every fastener location when needed to support the frame. For best practices, after you drill the concrete, get all that dust out of the hole. Fill the hole with sealant. Run your fastener inside the tube of sealant and run your fastener straight down. Now it's time to unpackage the slabs. We've now unpackaged the two slabs. The next step is to remove the screw that's holding the hinge to the slab. There will be one screw per hinge. After removing the screw, open the hinge and replace it back in that same hole. Inside the blue bag, you'll locate the smaller packets of hinge screws. Use these screws to attach the slabs to the frame. Now I'm going to hang the slab to the frame. I'm now going to repeat the same process on the other slab. After the slabs operate correctly, you can now go back and tighten all installation fasteners, and then after inspection, top off the head of every fastener with sealant. After the door's been installed and working properly, apply a bead of sealant around the perimeter of the main frame and retighten all the set screws. So to recap, we've now installed the main frame, hung the slabs, and applied sealant to all installation fasteners. My name's Patrick Jameson, and thanks for watching.